kasa bi to to say phone way tanko phone be phone so mukita na bosom mom enko phone be phone so mukita na nyame mom enko phone be phone so mukita no nti obia ni say na wa apply ade na man me bible nyama bible yema me no beyond human imagination me ekremoni e na adoma fa me ameye Kristo djuma metimi di bible no ho adanse mo my reading are Christian books ebi na wo no I'm the type I love to learn. I always like quiet places because me person me sua there. My kind Bible na ko chire bebre. But me obeka say onji ba me challenge obi obeka say onji Bible. Say na man I don't do it. Because me amementi ase chire me na me. But what I say obi obeka say sadi we dem me ko obi. But me I believe I have my belief in it. And me ye e boa me so. But what I say, me ring session, obi should be M1 where you are touching me. I activate it all time. And you know, because the Bible ain't good, not Bible wow, not Bible you just ordinary booker. And you who believe natural sir. Into me, I want me and hammy. I don't see anything wrong with that. But me, I say, so bomb by your mom because of you be challenging Bible piano. Me and hard it's mess them. Say. You wadi bi wo so na wo ye wade a hwele ye ko woni men challenge ni ama bi e program de o how bebre mpacho wate ase enti mesere wo tie fo no wa hwefo wo ye Kristo nu akoso so wudidie mu memo wa bembu se obi ka se Bible to minim to wa bemegu enye sa mistake no only ko read the book of Psalm 35 and some one so bi wo ahohiehie mu obi the false allegations false pronunciations false problems attack you. When they read Psalm 35, read it early morning before you do your anything, or even when you are about to sleep. Now read the Psalm 91 for chapter. Now when they show idea in less than some months, there will be a positive change in any angle, in any area where there is a false pretense and a false. The book of Psalms, we were very sure you have it in that. Sister, we are who taking it serious for the rest of your whole life. So the book of Psalms. And you know, it depending on obiani senya me GDS. So I try to calm myself down. Bible kita to me, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Senya what people will phone is phone na benya to me ama. Say phone ni one. Na I say wo jira this. You see, there's something I'm seeing, said Ghana, we are in the black world, Ghana.